Good afternoon. This is Deke Fagundis with Interstate Roofing conducting a repair attempt on the front slope of the Stanhope residence. Now, we will be using a couple tools of the trade today. Oh, also, it is November 13th of 2025. But the first of the tools will be a mag hatch. Now, this is industry standard tool. When it comes to roofing, a lot of times companies will like for us to use a roofing snake. Well, two reasons that we don't use a roofing snake is one, when you are hammering down on this little half-inch reveal here, you're hammering down on this metal bar. It cracks these granules, it busts them, and then it bruises the matting underneath, which causes unintentional damage, which is something we do not want. As well as I am the contractor and I do get to decide which tools I use. And the second tool will be a pry bar. That is to remove and then re-adhere those fasteners when replacing the shingle. So we'll go ahead and get started. Make sure we get this set up perfectly. All right. Now I will not be lifting these shingles above a 45-degree angle at any point in time in the video. Now I'm going to start from the left, working my way over, and starting with this one right here. Out that one goes. That one's already loose, of course. And there. So now we're going to remove the fasteners. And again, working our way from the left to the right. There is no nail there. So moving on to this one. We've got a blow through already. That's a fail. All right. And let's check to see if there's even a nail here. There's not. Alrighty. And here. Okay. Okay. And last two. Alrighty. Now that we've got all of our nails removed, shingle should slide out as such. Let's check to see what's going on. Maybe there's a I've got it. They were sealed together. Got it. All right. Now let's go ahead and take a look at anything we've got so far. Now, so far, yep, we have got the start of a crease here, and then if you can see where those granules have fallen off just from lifting it and putting the pry bar under it, you can see another spot right there. All right, so this repair has already failed, but we will continue as to act in good faith to the customer as well as you guys. Okay. So here's a pliable shingle. As you can see here, I can bend, and this shingle, nothing's gonna happen. I can wipe wipe this new one. No granules have been knocked loose because this matting has not been fractured. Now we're gonna pull out the old discarded shingle, the damaged shingle, do the exact same thing. Oh no, we've got a breakage here. Let's try it one more time. Oh, it's ripping now. So yeah, you can see that this roof is beyond repair just from looking at how brittle the shingle is in general. We will continue. All right. Now, I lined up the shingle. I marked it off with chalk so that we could see everything going on. Now, we will have to cut this shingle after the video, but we will go ahead and replace these fasteners with new ones. And again, I will not be lifting any of these shingles above a 45-degree angle. Okay, so here, there, there, and to properly secure the shingle, we will place a shingle or place a nail where the other contractor, the previous contractor, did not. Okay. And last course, we've got these two where they separate. That's bent. I'm going to use that. One right here. And should be the last two right here. Okay. Whew. Alrighty, so let's go ahead and review what we've got. Most definitely some issues. Okay, so let's take a look. I'm gonna put this in one-time zoom so that you can see a bit of a close-up. So you can see right here, this line, we've got granule loss already, without even, any sort of wind or anything like that, to pick those shingles up and move them. And then right on the other side, you can see the cracking starting right here, going all the way to the center of the shingle. And we'll take a look. Now here is where it gets messy. So you can see massive granule loss where this matting has been fractured, and these granules have come loose all across the top of this shingle. So you can see more obvious points right here, and then towards the corner here. When I pick this up, this is definitely a complete fail. And then right here as well, you can see the corner starting to come up, meaning that matting has been fractured, meaning this repair has already failed, or has failed in general. Now I'm going to show you again what a pliable shingle looks like. Now I can bend this shingle all the way out to 180 degrees and it'll just lay back down. Now you can see, and then I wipe the top of it, wipe, and we can see no damage has been caused to this brand new pliable shingle because it is pliable. Now, I'm not gonna lift these shingles anymore. We don't want to cause more damage, but just to reveal what has already been caused, just gently wipe with my hand, and you can see that is way more obvious at this point. I do the same thing to this one, and we can see now this side has started to expose, and well, we don't really need to do anything to there. That's obvious. That's as obvious as it comes. And you can see right here, go ahead, wipe. Look at that. You can see all that granulose come to our eyes. And this one right here, now that is more obvious. Now, this repair has completely failed. I'm gonna tarp this up for the homeowner to make this waterproof. But to put into context for you, let's say there is 30 wind damaged shingles on this roof. If we come in and, you know, replace 30 shingles individually, we have 4 damaged shingles as a result. Oh, 5. So we have 5 damaged shingles as a result of just performing a repair on this one. So we go 30 times 5, that's 150 shingles that we now have to replace as a result of performing repairs on those 30. And then that is going to be an endless cycle. So it'd be an absolute bad faith for me as the contractor to continue repairs. So I will halt this right here, cut this end off, and tarp this up for the homeowner so this is waterproof. Thank you and have a wonderful day.